We have here an example, a case of dysmenorrhea at the onset of menstruation. So treatment, we use the luo point of the gallbladder 37, to prevent the blood from stagnating because we would want to move the blood. Bladder 18, the Bakshu point of the liver, to improve the function. Spleen 8, which is a symptomatic point for dysmenorrhea. Stomach 40, the Lu connecting point of the stomach, which is a symptomatic point to improve circulation. Li4, which is called the great eliminator, helps in the releasing of blood. The patient should be treated for 3 to 4 sessions monthly during the middle 10 days of the menstrual cycle for 3 months. No treatment is done during the menstruation. The liver secretes bile. The body needs bile in order to digest fatty foods. During hepatitis, the liver yang is high, and the patient suffers with high bilirubin, jaundice, nausea, itchy skin. When liver yang or liver qi is deficient, there is insufficient bile secretion, and patients are unable to digest fats and milk products. They have bloating of the upper abdomen, belching, and have yellowish-green colored semi-solid stools with much wind after consuming these foods. Bitter foods helps to stimulate the bile secretion. Hence, an espresso or schnapps after a heavy meal aids digestion. Liver generates interior wind. We depend on exterior wind to move energy around in enclosed environments. If not, it could get quite stuffy. Patients often talk of headaches that clear in the fresh air and skin ailments that improve on breezy beaches. When it is not possible for us to be in the windy outdoors, our energy, blood, and body fluid depend on the wind in the interior of our body. So this is the interior wind to move them. The liver qi generates this interior wind. When liver qi is deficient or depressed, the energy, fluid, or blood tends to stagnate in different parts of the body. Energy blocks such as frog in throat, fullness in upper abdomen, emotional frustration with unvented anger, rigid movements as in Parkinson's disease or mental depression, fluid blocks such as hydrocele, localized cold edema, blood blocks such as varicose veins and varicocele are some examples of blocks caused by liver qi deficiency. The most effective method to improve the functional qi of the liver is to do sports or regular exercise. Exercises that move the entire body without overexertion, like Qigong or Tai Chi, are appropriate. It is also good to avoid fatty foods and milk products because this thickens the blood and fluid in the body, thus making them flow slower. Foods beneficial to liver qi are foods at the beginning of their life. As food element is associated with the direction east and to the time of birth in the 5 phases of life, all foods at the beginning of their life have more wood yang qi. Sprouting beans, alfalfa sprouts, a day-old chicken, young animals and birds are good for improving liver qi, provided they are cooked without thick, creamy sauces. Light pastel green color used in a room where most emotional blocks are suffered is a simple therapy. Acupuncture points for liver qi deficiency are Bakshu and Luo point of the yang organ, bladder 18 and GB37, Shu point improves the function. Qi deficiency causes stagnations, and the Luo point of the yang organ will circulate or release the stagnation. Less wind causes stagnations and blocks. Excessive wind causes excess movement and irritation. These are called wind symptoms.